Hey there, welcome back to Design Mastery Tuts. Today, we're diving into a winter wonderland of creativity with the Ice and Snow text, Pack 6 titles in After Effects. If you're looking to add a frosty touch to your projects, you're in the right place. I'm Prasad, and let's get started. First, download the file link in the description after open project and navigate to the AE file. So, what exactly is the Ice and Snow text, Pack 6 titles? Well, it's a fantastic After Effects template that provides you with 6 stunning title animations, all themed around the beauty of ice and snow. Whether you're working on a holiday project, a winter-themed video, or just want to add a chilly vibe to your content, this pack has you covered. The best part? The pack is incredibly user-friendly. Let's see the magic.
Preview. Preview.